Hello friends, welcome to BoardChamp. Today in this class we are going to make a riddle game. As you can see on my screen, if I will click here on the play option, it will move to the riddle one. Here is the question, what goes up but never comes down. If I make the correct answer H, then it will move to the next question and also it will play one sound also. After that, if I will click on the again riddle is there, I will click on the question. If it is correct, then it will show game over. So like this we can make. Let's start a new project. For this, we will go to the new project, click on App Lab. When we click on App Lab, then the new project will be open. First of all, as we know, we will click on the design option for making the design. This is my first screen. Click on the choose option. Just download one file as I have already downloaded. So I'm going to take that riddle. Now it's there. Then we will just drag the play button. This is the play button. Now the play button text will be play and ID is play B. Play B stands for play button. That is the ID. ID will be helpful when we will do the coding. And play will be helpful when we will play the game. So text will be play and ID will be play B. Now we will click here and then choose new screen. Then screen 2 will be visible. First of all, I will choose one theme. Now I just want to mention the label. So what I will do, I will just take it and drag it. Here you can type any riddle. Suppose I'm typing the question 2 plus 2 multiplied 2 is equal to what? In place of math quiz, you can type the riddle also. Now just make it big. How I'm making it big? Just place your mouse here. When it will change the arrow, then you can increase it. Just increase the size also. After this, I just want to set it in between. Now, I will take two buttons. First button for correct answer, second button for wrong answer. Now, button 1 is the correct one, so I'm tapping here C1. And the correct answer you will tap 2 plus 2, 4, 4 2 is 8. And also just increase the size. The second one is the wrong button, so I will type here W1. And just 2 2 is 4, 4 plus 2, 6. And also increase the size. That will make it same 35. After this, let's take the next button. So this is the next button. So I will type here next B1 because we will make two next buttons. Remember, if your ID is okay, then it will be helpful in the coding. So ID should be in a proper way. And this is the next button. So I will type like this. Okay. After this, we will move to the next one, new screen. If you don't want to take the screen again and again, then what you should do, this is your screen too. Click here on this area, not here and there, on this area. Click here, make it duplicate. If I will do duplicate, now you can see this is my screen 3. I just want to rename it screen 3. Okay, so this is my screen 3 because I have done duplicated. I just changed the riddle. Now I'm going to type here 6 upon 2 is equal to what? Now just change. This is the correct answer. So I will type here C2 because C1 I already made. And the correct answer you should type here 3. This is wrong answer. So just mention here W2. And wrong answer I'm typing here 4. Same next button. Just change the variable name. It is next B2. After this, I want to make two more screen. The new screen, this screen is regarding the game over. So I will take image. I have already downloaded one image of game over. Otherwise, you can simply type with the help of label game over. So I'm going to choose my image, which I have downloaded. You know very well how to download the image. Game over. Now with the help of this, I'm going to dragging it. One more screen I want to make. This screen is for winner. So you can also take the image or you can type here. Like I'm going to type here, winner. Now just drag it and also increase the size. After increasing the size, I just want to mention, if you want, you can mention the icon or images. I'm taking one image and this time I'm taking icon. And icon is regarding the winner. You can also change the icon color as per your need. That's your choice. That's exactly what you want. So I just want to keep the winner. Our all screens are ready. Screen 1, 2, 3. This is screen 4. Screen 4 is the game over screen. So I changing the ID. The ID is game over screen. Now the last one is the winner screen. So I'm changing the ID. Remember, no need to change this. Click here on this area and then change the ID. Winner screen. One more thing, I want to do the change in the game over. If the game will over, then user can play it again. So just create here one button and the button name is home. If user will click on home, then it can restart or you can type here replay. And this is replay B. S. This is replay button. After completing all the design, let's start the coding. Come to the code one. First of all, we will set the screen because we have many screens. So I'm taking here set screen 1. After that, I just want to take on event. My first button name is play B. Now I want, when I will click on play B, I will move to the set screen. Now you can see it's working. When I will click here, it will move to the second one. Now, again, two buttons are there. So what I will do, I will take here two times on event, 1 and 2. First button name is C1, second button name is W1. Also, I want that it should play sound. So you can take play sound. And also I want to set the screen, set screen for C1 and set screen for W1. Now for the sound, click here on this arrow, then choose. This is the correct one. So you should type here correct. And correct answer will be moved to the screen 3. And this is the W1. So you should choose the sound of wrong. And if the wrong answer is there, then you should move to the screen game over. Let me show you. Run it, play. If I clicking on correct answer, it will move to the next one. And now the next coding. Same coding we will repeat. Again, we will take on event two times. Now my button name is C2 and this button name is W2. Same coding we will do. First of all, we will take play sound. And after this, we will move to the set screen. I have made only two riddles. You can make more than two questions. C2, again I want to choose the correct sound. This one is the correct. And if the correct answer is there, then it will show winner screen because this is my last quiz. And here I will take wrong sound. And if the wrong sound is there, again it will move to the game over screen. Let me play now again. Now just move to the wrong one.
Wrong.
And again, I will click on replay. Now I have to do the coding of replay button. Now, what I will do, I will take on event. My button name is replay B. If I click on replay, then definitely we will move to the first screen. Then it will start with this. Now our game is ready. Let's start. The wrong one,
Wrong.
replay one, again play. Correct one. Next answer. If I will do the wrong one,
Wrong.
again replay screen. Correct answer. Next. Again correct answer.
Correct.
Winner. Like this, you can make your game. So just try with this and then share it to me. Till then, take care. Bye bye.